Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our MXS 7.0 battery charger. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. So okay, let's see what's in the box. The CTEK MXS 7.0 and all the accessories come with this neat drawstring carry bag. This will keep everything you need together and it'll help keep out any dirt, dust and damp. It's an instruction booklet that explains all the features, functions and benefits of the charger. And here's the main charging unit. As you can see, it's got a tough sealed plastic case, a power lead and a charge cable with CTEK's unique Easy Fit Comfort Connect system. You also get a clamp lead for quick connection to the battery. Plus, there's an M6 eyelet connection if your battery is difficult to get to. Both of these leads have Comfort Connect plugs, so you can connect them to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other CTEK accessories fitted with the Comfort Connect system if you need them. Well, that's the CTEK MXS 7.0 unboxed. Thanks for watching.